welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be spring cleaning. So I am excited to get this started. Today is actually a really good day. It's around 59 degrees. It's supposed to get up to a high of 62 today. And then tomorrow is going to be a high of 68, but it will be raining. So I thought that I would divide and conquer the space within 2 days. And I was thinking today I would tackle the living room with all the dusting and tidying, picking up, and doing the same for the kitchen and then my bedroom. Tomorrow, all I would have to do is just sweep, mop, and deodorize and vacuum. So that is what is on the agenda for today. Essentially, I do the spring cleaning in March. But since today is like spring weather and tomorrow will be like spring as well, I figured why not? Because I mean, it's after Valentine's Day. We need a little refresh anyhow. And what a better day to do that than today when you can have the windows open. So we have all of the windows open in the living room, the kitchen, as well as my bedroom to get the air flowing, get all that musty winter smell out. In the living room, I'm going to start with just picking up stuff, taking things down to the basement, getting all that Valentine's Day decor out of here. Kind of have a list I want to get done. Now it's a very long list because obviously it's spring cleaning. I wanted to do the baseboards, vacuum all the furniture, wash all the pillows and covers. Tomorrow, since it's going to be raining, I'll do all of the laundry tomorrow. So without further ado, let's get started up on tidying.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Alright, so usually I don't wash the windows until the middle of spring, but today is a really good day for washing the windows, so I think I will go ahead and do that. Now, I know I'm going to be washing this door like a million times because the cat likes to let us know when he's at the door at nighttime and throughout the day. So I do have a lot of muddy footprints from the cat. So I do want to get that off the door, and then I do want to actually clean the windows inside, but I will wait on cleaning the windows on the outside for a better day, obviously, because we don't want to get the garden hose out just quite yet. So next we're going to be tackling the TV in this area. Usually I always begin starting from the top and working my way down so that I don't have to redo what I've already dusted and cleaned. Now the one area that we have been having trouble on is cleaning the front of the TV. it's actually pretty oily and we're having a hard time getting it cleared off. So I will probably do several cleanings to try to get this oil off. I've already researched on what the best method is, so I'm going to try that, as the cleaner for electronics does not work. It actually leaves like a lot of streaks. So we're going to try a different method for today. We're going to start up top, get all the Valentine's Day decor down, which isn't much, and then we're going to be dusting. It's going to be kind of bare because I'm not going to start decorating for spring until probably the 1st of March, or a little bit like second week of March. I haven't really decided, so it's going to be a little bit bare up there. Already done the plants, so the plants do not need to be washed. They've already had their bath for winter and they're all spruce. As you can see, they're really green and they look really beautiful. The only things that we need to take care of is the spider plants that are behind me. They are starting to get their foliage back again. So I do have some new leaves starting, some leaves dying. This is the original soil. So it is healthy for this plant. Had some insects that pretty much destroyed this plant as well as the other one. I'm trying to nurse it back to life. So without further ado, let's get started on dusting.
I saw you standing by the willow tree. Your laughter danced like ripples on the sea. The world stood still, the sky leaned down to see. And I wonder if you feel it too. This spark, this light, this something new. Like flowers blooming in spring, your smile makes everything seem. The air feels warmer, the days stretch wide, with you by my side. The grass was gold beneath our wandering feet. Your hand in mine, the moment felt complete. Each step a heartbeat, every glance a treat. And I wonder if this could be the start of something.
Okay, well, I obviously can't make up my mind on what I want to do today versus tomorrow, so we're just going to go ahead and get every single thing done today. So tonight we'll probably end up doing the final touches on sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. So we'll probably do that until late tonight and get everything done today. So tomorrow we just have to enjoy and relax. So right now I think I'm going to take a break since Orlando is home now. Snack, probably some dinner a little bit. I'm gonna have some chicken and a salad again, and then we'll continue with the spring cleaning. Okay, so we have everything done. One of the things I'm going to be doing is mopping the cabinet doors. That is one of the things that I do yearly because I pretty much keep up with washing the cabinets every month. So they're not bad and they don't need scrubbing. I mop all the walls yearly. Sometimes if it's needed, I will do it twice a year. For right now, for today, I'm just gonna take out the trash, put away some dishes, do some dishes, and clean up the countertops. And that'll be about it for the kitchen because we already washed the windows. Oh, and the backsplash. I will be doing that today. so that was kind of a daunting task. We do have all of the windows cleaned and the entryway. So now our task is to start cleaning the light bulbs.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't.
Thank you so much for watching this spring cleaning video. I hope you all enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below when you'll be starting your spring cleaning or if you already have. And I wish you all a safe week and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye everyone.